Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best cordless hedge trimmers you can buy right now. These trimmers are perfect for cleaning up your yard. No cords, no hassle. We've picked the best ones for power, battery life, and ease of use. All product links are in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Now let's dive in and find the right trimmer for you. Number 5. MZK Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The MZK 22.4-foot Cordless Hedge Trimmer is a helpful tool for anyone looking to keep their yard neat and tidy. It is lightweight, weighing only 5 pounds, which makes it easy to carry and use for long periods. Even though it's light, it is powerful thanks to its 20V max battery, giving you strong cutting performance for all kinds of trimming jobs. This trimmer has a 22.4-inch steel blade that cuts through bushes and shrubs smoothly. It can handle branches up to 5/8 inch thick. The dual-action blade also helps reduce vibration, making the trimming process easier on your hands and arms. Using this hedge trimmer is comfortable. It has a wraparound handle designed to fit your grip, so you can move it in different directions without straining. Since it's cordless, you don't have to worry about tangled cables or staying close to a power outlet. You can move freely around your yard and reach all the spots you need to trim. Safety is also a key feature. The trimmer includes a double lock system, which helps prevent accidents. This makes it safer to use for you and your family. Another great feature is the battery system. The 20V lithium-ion battery included with the trimmer works with all other MZK indoor and outdoor tools. That means you can use one battery for many different tools, saving you time, space, and money. This hedge trimmer comes with everything you need to get started: the trimmer itself, a 20V battery, and a charger. It's a smart and simple solution for keeping your yard in great shape. Number 4. Saker Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The Saker Cordless Hedge Trimmer is a helpful tool for keeping your yard neat and clean. It runs on a battery, so there are no cords to worry about. With a lightweight design of just 5.3 pounds, it's easy to carry and use for a long time without getting tired. This makes it great for everyone, including seniors and women. The trimmer comes with 20-inch dual-action blades, which means it cuts in both directions, forward and backward. This helps make trimming smoother with less vibration. It can easily cut through branches up to 0.6 inches thick, giving your bushes and shrubs a neat look every time. It's powered by a strong brushless motor that reaches up to 1200 RPM. This high speed makes trimming faster and saves energy. You can use it on all kinds of plants like hedges, small trees, bushes, and decorative plants. It's a great tool for keeping your garden looking fresh. The trimmer also focuses on safety. It has a double lock system, so it only turns on when you press both the top handle and the main switch at the same time. This helps prevent accidents. The strong outside shell also protects your hands from the blades. The handle is ergonomic and wraparound, which means it's shaped to fit comfortably in your hand. This lets you trim at different angles without straining your wrist or arms. Saker also offers good customer support. If you ever have any issues with the trimmer or need help, they are ready to assist you and make sure you're happy with your purchase. The package includes the Saker Cordless Hedge Trimmer, one battery, and a charger. It's a simple and efficient tool for anyone who wants to take care of their garden with ease. Number 3. Works WG261 20V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The Works WG261 20V Cordless Hedge Trimmer is a strong and easy-to-use tool for trimming bushes and hedges. It runs on a battery, so you don't need to deal with cords. This makes it simple to move around your yard without worrying about getting tangled or finding a power outlet. The trimmer has a 22-inch blade, which is a great length for cutting long, flat tops, and even sides. It's also flexible enough to trim around corners. The dual-action blades cut in both directions, making your trimming faster and smoother. These blades give each branch a clean cut, helping your plants look neat and well-kept. Even though it's powerful, this trimmer is lightweight, weighing only 5.5 pounds. You can use it for a long time without your arms getting too tired. It's built to feel comfortable while you work, with special grips that reduce shaking, so your hands won't feel the vibration as much. The D-grip front handle makes it easy to hold the trimmer in different ways. You can reach up high for tall hedges or trim low without bending too much. This design helps you stay comfortable while working from any angle. The WRX hedge trimmer can cut through branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick, which is perfect for most bushes and shrubs. It's great for shaping your yard the way you want without a lot of effort. This trimmer comes with a 2.0 20V PowerShare battery and a charger. The battery is part of the WRX PowerShare system, which means you can use it with over 75 other WRX tools. This saves money and space since you don't need a new battery for each tool. The Works WG261 is a smart choice if you want a strong, cordless, and easy-to-handle trimmer that makes yard work quicker and more comfortable. Number 2. Black Decker 20V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The Black Decker 20V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer is a strong and easy-to-use tool for trimming your bushes, shrubs, and hedges. It runs on a 20V lithium-ion battery, which gives you plenty of power and runtime for most yard work. Since it's cordless, you can move around freely without getting caught in wires. This trimmer has a 22-inch steel blade with a dual-action design. That means the blade cuts in both directions, helping you trim faster and smoother. It also reduces vibration by up to 40% compared to single-blade trimmers, making it more comfortable to use. You can cut through branches up to 3/4 inch thick, which is great for most common plants in your yard. On a full charge, it can trim up to 3,000 square feet of hedges, giving you enough time to finish your job without stopping to recharge. The wraparound front handle makes it easier to trim from different angles, whether you're trimming up, down, or sideways. The full-length trigger and soft grip handle add extra comfort while you're using it, so your hands won't get sore as quickly. This hedge trimmer is part of the Black Decker 20V Max system, which means you can use the same battery with other Black Plus Decker tools in the same series. This makes it more convenient and saves you money. The Black Decker LHD 2220 Hedge Trimmer is a great choice if you want a cordless, lightweight, and powerful tool to keep your yard looking neat and clean. It comes with the trimmer, one battery, and a charger, everything you need to get started. Number 1. Ego Power Plus Hedge Trimmer. The Ego Power Plus Hedge Trimmer is a strong and reliable tool made for trimming thick bushes and hedges. It is battery-powered and does not come with a battery or charger, so you will need to buy those separately. However, it works with all Ego Power Plus Arc lithium batteries, so if you already have one, you're good to go. This hedge trimmer features a 24-inch dual-action blade, which means it cuts in both directions for smoother, faster trimming. The blades are made of hardened steel, making them strong and sharp for clean, neat cuts. The blades are also fully serviceable, so you can easily sharpen or maintain them when needed. One of the best features of this trimmer is its 1-inch cut capacity. This means it can cut through branches up to 1 inch thick, which is more than most cordless trimmers can handle. It's great for tougher jobs and larger branches in your yard. The trimmer uses a high-efficiency brushless motor, which gives you longer run time and a lighter tool. It also runs at 3,000 strokes per minute, helping you get the job done quickly and easily. For safety, the trimmer includes an electric brake that stops the blade quickly when you release the trigger. This gives you better control and helps prevent accidents. The Ego Power Plus Hedge Trimmer is a smart choice for people who want a powerful, cordless tool for trimming thick and overgrown hedges. It's easy to use, built to last, and perfect for both light and heavy-duty yard work.